Hello friend, welcome to Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. Today's tutorial topic is logic gates. In this tutorial, we will see about the basic logic gates. Now let's start. The first logic gate, we talk about the AND gate. Now we can see the different circuitry here, the circuit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here in all circuit there is a power supply and one bulb. Whenever bulb is on, then logic level is high, then bulb level is 0, then logic or bulb is off, then logic level is 0. Now let's check the different switch position and the level. Now first condition, the switch A and switch B both are open, then here path is open circuit. Means whenever the path is closed circuit, then the wire become red. If it is black, then open circuit. So A and B both are open, then there is no current flow between this open switch, so bulb is off. Now in second mode, the switch A is on but switch B is off, so here open circuit, there is no bulb, bulb is on. Then in third position, switch A is off, switch B is on. In this condition also bulb is in off state. But in fourth state, whenever switch A and switch B both are on, because these switch are connected in series, so the current will flow from supply to bulb and bulb become on. This yellow mark indicate the bulb is on. So we can say that output of AND logic gate is high when both input A and B switch are high, means closed. Whenever this both switch is on or closed, then output means bulb is on. So whenever we draw one table, then switch condition of switch A and switch B, according to this condition, the bulb position, this is our output, this all are input and this bulb position is our output. So off, then bulb is off, on, and both are on, then bulb is on. So here you have to remember, whenever both switch is on, means both are input 1, then output is 1. So let's draw one table, and this table is known as truth table. Now this is the symbol of AND gate. Whenever we give in two input A and B, here we give two input, but more than two input is also possible in this all logic gates. Means AND gate and OR gate both are more than one, two input is available, but in only in NOT gate only one input is there. Here A and B, this AND indicate the AND logic, and whenever we put in equation, then A dot B, here this dot indicate the AND operation and Y is our output, so we can say that Y is equal to A dot B. Now whenever we draw this table, whenever we write this logic in one table is known as truth table, then input A condition, input B condition, and this is the Y, it's nothing but Y is equal to A dot B. Whenever both input is 0, then output is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and both is 1, then output is 1. Means we can say that whenever in AND gate all input is 1, then output is 1. So this one is about the logic AND gate. Now let me see about the OR gate. Now in OR operation, this switch is connected in parallel. In AND operation this is series, and OR operation this switch is connected in parallel. So whenever any one switch is pressed, here both switch is open. There is A and B, switch A and B both are open, means there is no current flow through the bulb, so bulb is off. Now in condition 2, whenever switch A is on, switch B is off, then here the red path indicate the current flow through the bulb, so bulb become on. Now in third position, switch B is on, switch A is off, then current will pass through the current switch B through the bulb and bulb become on, so it indicate the yellow. And last, A and B both are on, then here two path is available for the current, path A and path B, so bulb become on. So here we can see in table the output of OR logic is low when both input A and B switch are low. Means here this condition you have to remember. Here bulb is off only whenever both switch is off. Only one switch, any one switch is on, then output become on. So in table off, bulb is off, and other three condition bulb become on because there is a path to flow the current. So this one is the table about the OR gate. Now this is the symbol A and B. So here you have to remember here some mistake. A plus B, y is equal to A plus B. You have to remember A plus B. Here write y is equal to A plus B because here the OR operation. So OR is nothing but plus operation and AND is nothing but dot operation or multiplication operation. So here given the truth table A 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 0. Sorry, 1 1 1. So this one is about the truth table of the logic OR gate. So you have to remember this point, and you have to draw this table in your book so you can remember easily. So this one is about the OR gate. Now the last gate, basic gate, is NOT gate. So let me see about the NOT gate. So NOT gate is very simpler than the previous two gate. Here power supply is connected in parallel to the bulb. One switch is connected. Here switch is open. So the path to the bulb is like this. Means this red path indicate the bulb is on, and this is the logic OR. Means whenever switch is open, then what happen? Whenever switch is open, then bulb is on. Whenever switch is closed, then bulb is off, because here the path to the supply to switch to the supply means there is no current in bulb. So bulb is off mode. Here bulb is on mode because here no path between in this switch. So total current will flow through the bulb and bulb become on. So we can say that switch A is off. Here switch A is off, then bulb is on. Here switch A is on, then bulb is off. So the different condition, different two condition, whenever switch off, then bulb is on. Whenever switch on, then bulb is off. So this one is about the NOT gate, and whenever we when we want to draw the table, then like this. This is the symbol. A is input, Y is A bar. Means here the inverting terminal, or different means whenever we give 1, then output is 0. Whenever we give 0, then output is 1. There this bar indicate our output is exactly opposite the input. So whenever we draw truth table, then input A is 0, then output is 1. Whenever we give input is 1, then output is 0. So this one is about the truth table of NOT gate. So you have to remember this basic 3 gate for the digital electronics, and very important gate to solve any Boolean algebra or any digital circuit. So you have to remember symbol, truth table and expression for the digital electronics, and this one is about the basic logic gate. Okay, thank you.